What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Dreamin' 99 and today is a very exciting day because my car is finished. Yes, the rear is painted. I saw it already. I went to check it out yesterday. He just wanted to get it polished. So today he just texted me so that I could pick it up. Very excited. My boy Chris is currently on the way so we could grab my car. Very excited. Man, I mean, the M Sport conversion is done, so we could finally get into the fun part, for the most part, when it comes to modding this car, and that's performance. So definitely looking forward to it, man. I'll catch you guys in a little bit when Chris gets here. Alright guys, we are in the 5 Series, and man, does this paint look good. Oh man, I can't wait to reveal it for you guys. And man, did I miss this car. I mean, it's only been, well, actually I dropped this thing off Wednesday. It is now Monday, but yeah, the paint looks good, man. It needs to be washed now. The car is filthy, but nonetheless the paint looks good, man. So we're gonna do this POV on the way home, and I'll let you guys see it once we get parked up. The car needs to be washed. I might wait to wash the car to reveal it to you guys, but I'm super happy with the results, man. Shout out to my guy, bro. He's now done the front bumper. He's done the rear, and super happy with the outcome, man. So shout out to you, man. As I said before, cosmetically this thing is almost done, so it's all, I know I say it like every video, but it's almost time to get into the fun aspect, and that's the performance mods, man. And the first thing I'm doing is slapping on some big fat front mount intakes so we can get that noise. That's the first thing I'm doing. My car though, man. I can't be out here making all this noise and I got mud all over. V6 on the toll road. Man, I'm super excited, man. God, I missed my car. Sits upon the toll road. Sits on the toll road. Oh, we got a Huracan behind us. I'm not sure if you guys can see through my side view mirror, but got a nice little Huracan behind this. few things I have to do to this car. This car actually needs a battery. This thing is dying so often now. Actually, I'm not gonna drive it. I'm about to pick up my daughter and park it and drive the Camaro until I get the battery. But yeah, that, and it's about time to do the front brakes for this car as well. So this thing is a money pit, I will say. Granted, it's just your regular maintenance. It's not like I'm, you know, doing any repairs. I'm gonna let that Huracan pass. It's fun to slow road. My cousin texted me about my dad's 340, man. Text to him. I want this Lambo to pass already. Oh, that is so nice. So delusional. I love my car so much. I be telling myself if I line it up with him, I'm gapping. I'm sending him the Gapplebees, bro. That's how much I love this car. But obviously, that's no truth to that, right? Sounds good too. I mean, he's not getting on it, but the idle, the low RPM sounds good. Sounds good. That sounds good, man. The dude is paying me no mind. I'm just fanning out. Oh man, that's what it's about, my friends. He gets on it now that I'm not there. Come on, bro. All right, guys. So this thing is finished, man. This thing looks so good, bro. Matter of fact, let me put it in the light a little bit. I'm in the middle of the parking lot, but this thing, never mind how dirty it is, I'm gonna clean it, but this thing looks so good, bro. So good. I mean, he did a great job on this. Again, it's dirty because the location of where the work was done at, but man, I can't wait to get this thing washed. Can't do it today because, you know, I'm gonna be busy today, but I'm gonna wash this thing and catch back up with you guys. So stay tuned for that. Man. And I questioned when I got the anniversary badges if that was the right move. Obviously I couldn't tell because I had the gray bumper on, but now that I have my actual emblem on and the bumper is painted, I could definitely tell it's the right move. So super excited about that, man. But yeah, this is awesome. Man, finally we have a snow day. Love y'all so much, man. I was like, listen, I'm gonna come out here and get the content for y'all. And I think my boy Ed is stuck. We got Ed with the M3 down here. No, he's done. He's done. He's done. I'm so weak. I'm so weak, bro. You said what? I got him recorded. Oh yeah, it sounds good, bro. It sounds good. Woo! This dude's crazy. You said what? Keep stalling?
Yeah, but I keep forgetting to hold the clutch hand.
Oh yeah.
I keep forgetting to hold the clutch hand.
Oh my God, this jug is crazy.
Let's see you get out there, bro.
Huh?
Let's see you get out there.
I could try, bro.
Right.
Yeah, there you go. And just put it up top. Got the juices, bro.
Huh?
I see your output is way more than mine. I don't think I could do what you could do.
Oh, what you mean?
Like as far as like being
Turning? Yeah. Nigga, it's slippery though. It's slippery though.
Yeah.
Just turn around. Hit that motherfucker. Whoa. Hey, yo. Bro started early. Bro slid in the deal. That bitch sound diesel, boy. What? I see it. That bitch sound diesel.
I know that.
Yeah, boy, that shit don't sound diesel. You should have brought my trunk, no cap.
Hell yeah.
Keep it going. That shit
I
though.
about to the curb.
Bro, you far. You good. You good. Hey! Oh shit! Damn!
Hey, I need you to get that with my phone.
Damn!
Damn.
Bro,
or not, can you get it with your phone? There's a chance that
Yeah.
it might not the audio.
Hey, look, I'm dead ass pushing it though.
I know,
like,
I feel it.
Yeah.
I feel it.
So like, I could dead ass push you into that motherfucker.
Tell me when you're ready.
Go ahead. His ass might be stuck though. Oh shit, Shane, you stuck. When North Carolinians get some snow, nigga.
Hell yeah, bro.
I hope the audio plays. Oh, the audio might not be good. What you mean?
Oh, hold on. Let me disconnect. Please tell me the audio's there.
Yes. My phone is low, so you can't get that
You
shit
good? You good?
But it recorded good.
Hell yeah.
That was definitely worth the drive.
Look, bro, you on straight ice too? Oh no, it's snow.
Let me get out of here. Let me try to
I think it's a snowplow. Nah, never mind. You good?
try to get out to the spot.
Go ahead. What you should do is,
Reverse, go up, reverse, go up, reverse, go up.
nah, just gun it, bro,
Just gun it.
and turn right. Damn, nigga, I said gun it, but shit. Hey, turn your blinkers on. Oh shit. I said gun it, but damn, nigga, you was out.
My bad.
Nah, you good.
Hey,
I told you gun that bitch.
fun, bro.
I told you gun that,
That was
motherfucker.
fun, bro. Oh my god, that was fun.
Park behind me, but nigga, when you do, bro.
Yeah, I got you. I got you. Yeah, I got you.
Give some slide space.
I got you. I got you.
Oh, yeah, turn out. Yeah, there you go. You can go slow for real. You ain't even got gas. Just let it rock. Yeah, you good.
don't know, but I'm about to go with some.
See how your car look lowered on the shit.
Yeah, I'm about to get the springs next week. Well, this week, and it should be here next week.
Nigga, your shit just floating, ain't it?
I know.
What was I saying? Give us some goddamn float room.
Are you pushing it?
I told you that shit just sliding, nigga. Go on the curve one. I can push it. Get up. Damn, they shit really got down fucked up.
Oh yeah.
Hey.
Alright, YouTube. Obviously was never looking forward to the day where I have to make this clip, but as you guys could see, the front end got a little messed up. So after we was finished having fun in the snow and everything, I was on my way home, and with 1 or 2 minutes left in my trip, I was going down a hill, forgot to turn on my traction control. Yeah, I was going down the hill, was pressing my brakes, obviously with that traction control off and the ice and, all of those things playing a factor. Ended up sliding straight into a sign. So the front end was messed up, so we're going to have to replace the bumper and the fender. The fender is actually on the way, which is already paint matched, as well as the bumper is on the way, already paint matched, so I just have to get it installed. Thankfully, it's literally just the bumper and the fender itself. Nothing else was messed up, so it sucks. Because I'm not going to lie, everyone told me to stay inside. Everyone told me to stay inside, but I didn't. But, you make stupid choices, you end up with stupid consequences. So, nonetheless, I do not regret it, though. I had fun, got some great footage. Luckily, I'm okay. The car is good. Again, just fender, bumper, and that's that. But until next time, hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I'll keep you guys updated with the car.